What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Today I am not going to be doing anything except playing with this Laowa probe lens. Now, I done a video on it a few years ago when I initially got it, and honestly I haven't really used it that much. So there are a ton of videos on YouTube, especially from Daniel Schiffer and Peter McKinnon when they did the Laowa probe macro battle or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to do something similar to that. I'm just going to put this lens to the test and see what it can do. So here we go. There you have it, folks. Another video on the books. The Laowa probe lens is not one of those lenses that you just throw in your kit bag and take it with you on every shoot. It has very, very limited use, and the only thing that I can think of that sets it apart from every other lens is its ability to make small objects look larger than life. Now, with that being said, this lens does need an extreme amount of light, and that is the only downfall I think it has. And until next time, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.